Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use voice isolation or background noise cancellation in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to cancel your background voice for iPhone calls, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply enable a simple settings. So open your iPhone settings here. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your iPhone or your iPhone version. So you just have to select your general here, select software update, and you just have to make sure that you're on the latest version on iPhone. There's no any pending update for your iPhone. If you want to simply try to update your software, then go back from here and go to accessibility section. Select accessibility, scroll down and look for the option of audio and visual. Just simply select this. And here further scroll down and you'll get a setting which is add voice isolation. As you can see the description, as isolate has an additional option to enhance dialogue when used. Dialogue is completely isolated for people who need maximum clarity. So you just have to simply enable this toggle. Once you have enabled, now you have successfully enabled voice isolation or reduce background noise for your iPhone calls. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.